But guess what? Tinati Karim Advisory what services. Just want to advise you being come and get your passport. Take it into passport, it into visa, in Karim Advisory what services it in Germany in case it in to Waraha, but it is hard for you to get those passport and visa and everything. Please, one or two can available. And
I hope you guys are good, my Lami people. I love you guys so much. You already know that. This is Karim, your African advisor. And as my brother was saying, that you want to get a visa for Dubai, we do visit visas and freelance visas for Dubai. So you're most welcome. Our office is in Kampala, in Tropical Complex next to Arua Park Plaza, just in center of town. For location and all, the WhatsApp numbers are there. You can always contact us. And if you want to follow my business account, it's called the African Advisor. And the company is called Karim Advisory Services. When you say Karim Advisory, you have to be quick.
So you guys in there, just bina your
Alright, thank you so much. Apoya.
Apoya.
Well done.